The biggest challenge that I faced was a fairly straightforward one for a professional services manager. It was professional services margin. Our margin was, in Europe, only 15% compared to my colleagues in the US at 23%. I can justify a whole lot of reasons why we were operating at a lower margin than that, but at the end of the day, my challenge was to try and improve my margin and close that gap. What we wanted to do was change the way we delivered our services to produce the results that our company was looking for, but not necessarily by forcing our consultants just to work harder. There were two main reasons that we selected that tool. The first one was the blueprint capability, which was really exactly what I had in mind way back in the day, which was this top part of my data model where we would create a blueprint and then we would instantiate that for each project that we captured. So that was very important to me, very attractive that it had all of the features that we need from a signature implementation methodology. The other one was the partnership approach. We knew that we didn't necessarily do things the way that every other professional services organisation operated. We were looking for a partner that would work with us to help us get the best out of the tool. What have we done well? We've improved our status reporting to our customers. We've simplified the work breakdown structure that we follow, and I'll show you how that's been important to us. Part of the PMO change of style is to focus on deliverables rather than activities, and I'll talk to you a little bit about that. We've got a much higher level of consistency from project to project. We've been able to learn from the projects that we've delivered and evolve our methodology based on that. And we're providing better estimates and constantly improving our estimating methodology. What has that meant for us in terms of results? I'm pleased to say that the short-term results have been very, very positive. We've had 18 projects so far operating using the project delivery tool, about $5.5 million worth. Feedback from our customers has been amazingly positive because it's something that we expose to our customers. They get to look at it and they like the look of it. Many of them want to use the tool for their own team within our project, and some have asked for licenses. They want to buy their own licenses for other projects that they're running, so I think that's an endorsement of the tool. From an employee's perspective, the communication is much improved. Whereas things used to be informal, email-based, telephone-based, it's not just that it's captured centrally, it's the change of mindset that brings about that means that we're thinking, well, this is on the record, this is in a permanent place, and so we get a higher level of communication standards from everybody involved in the project, but also because it's central, it's much more efficient communication process as well. In the UK, where most of these projects have been run, the professional services margins are already improving, and we're showing significant improvement there. We were 12% in financial year 12, and we're up to 21% financial year 13, and we're tracking to be higher than that at the halfway of financial year 14. At the end of the day, that's where my problem was at the start. That's what I was trying to do, and that's what we're getting out of it. I've also seen margin improvement in the Middle East. It started from a lower base, so I won't give you the details of those. The other thing, because we've exposed this tool in the pre-sales situation for that estimating and walking them through the methodology, we're also contributing to the success of the sales team here for new license sales. Professional services has been foregrounded in the sales process, so instead of it being a product-based sale, I would say we now have equal billing with the product in terms of our professional services capability, and the use of this tool in terms of that pre-sales process has been a fantastic benefit as well, and has contributed to a significant growth year over year for the last 2 years of the UK sales team.